We are learning to accurately record and repeat an experiment. What I am looking for. Can you write instructions? Can you follow your own instructions to repeat Boris's Monster Hand experiment?
Science time! What will we need? 1 beaker, 1 rubber glove, bottle of vinegar, pot of baking powder. What will we do? Today we will make Monster Hand come to life. This is how we do it. Now write down the steps. Remember to write down all measurements. Firstly, pour 100 ml vinegar into beaker. The vinegar is our liquid. This is the next stage of the experiment, and it's very important that you get measurements right. Write down 3 tablespoons of baking powder. This will be the solid we are using in our experiment. Secure the rubber glove, Monster Hand, over beaker. Pick up limp Monster Hand, shaking baking powder into vinegar mixture, and watch reaction as the Monster Hand inflates, giving life. The reaction between the baking powder and vinegar has created carbon dioxide. This is our gas which inflates the Monster Hand. Now use your own instructions that you have written down to repeat the experiment. High five!